In previous video, we have talked about this model. We had this model of article and admin. And also we have seen everything in the admin panel. Okay, let's have this views. Okay, in views.py file, we can have all the views. Like there is something from Django.shortcuts import render. It is already added here. Now let me have something else. From .model, we have this article. So we have from this model file, we have the articles imported here. Okay, let's have article list. Well, and this list API views, we do not need this. So we have to list the list view. How we can import this? So dot views from Django dot views. That's fine. Okay, we have it, and we have a query set with query set. Well, everything is fine. So we have the query set and the self return will be like we want to return the article objects dot filter the status as true. Okay, we have the article list, we have the and the list view, like having the list view from Django dot views dot generic, and we have the query set. Everything is fine and everything is clean. We do not need this here. Okay, now we want to have another file like urls.py file, urls.py. Okay, in the url.py, what we have? We have django.urls, we have the path, and we need this article list. Okay, it suggests me many things. URL pattern, in the URL pattern we have, okay, so we have the article list and we need here an app name. Okay, it's very clean. So we have this, and now we add it in this URL, main URL. Okay, path, log, everything is clean. Okay, namespace and everything is okay. We do not need this for now. This block, and we have articles. We do not need this article for now. Okay, the blog is actually I don't need this blog as well. Okay, let's see, either we have some kind of we do not have any error. Let's refresh this. Let's see the site. It says that you do not have this article list. Well, the template doesn't exist. Okay, what we do? We see this blog application. In the blog application, we want to have a templates. Okay, in the templates, we will have the blog and this article. Okay, in the article list, we will have something like for article in the object list. Okay, fine. And for, okay, here we have every conditions like good, content and everything. We will have the author, we will have the published, I think that's fine. Up until now is okay. Now let's refresh. Let's see there is error or not. Okay, there is no error. Let's refresh this. When I refresh, well, what it says? Everything is fine. Okay, all the things are here. Like first article, admin, the admin is the, well, the author, true. Everything is good and correct. Well, in the next video, we will have another thing like API, and everything will be in that application. Okay, up until now, whatever we had, it is like from the Django and the template and everything like Django part, not something like from API and serializer and all that. So from the next videos onward, we will have all the things related to API, related to Django REST framework, and like how we can serialize and how we can have something like APIs specifically, and how we can consume that. But in this course, I do not want to have anything like that, like how we can consume. But in the next course or in the next playlist, which I will have about React, Vue.js, or any other library, UI library, and in that videos or in that playlist, I'll talk.